to film a HD brow tutorial for you guys. So to start off, I am taking 16 ingot brow gel on a 17 TL brush. I'm gonna start outlining my shape, starting on the bottom, creating a really sharp, crisp line. My brows are pretty straight, so I try to add a slight arch by bringing my brush upwards to the highest part of my brow and curving it back downwards. Once I have all that done, I like to take the same brush with whatever is left on it and fluff it through the brows. Now, the closer I get to the front of my brows, I use less pressure because I don't want it to be as dark as the rest of the brow. For the front of my brows, I like to turn my brush sideways and I start drawing little hair strokes just to mimic a bit more of a natural brow. I am literally just going ahead and outlining the top of my brows, and as you can see, once I get to the arch, I change the direction of the brush. Here I'm just creating the tip of the brow and I'm going ahead and just filling in the rest of the brow. And now it's time to clean it all up, and what I like to use is 95 Under Eye Concealer from Ingot, and I like to use that with the flat concealer brush. A lot of people ask me how I get my brows so sharp and crisp, and it's always the same answer: the concealer makes such a big difference in the end. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. Thank you all so much for watching the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.